Greetings, thanks for joining me. It's still autumn, my favorite time of year. I get to rock my orange nails, my orange lupus bracelet. What up, Lupus LA? October is my birth month. Get to turn another year wiser. So I also get to rock some new presents. Oh, Urban Decay Naked. Ultimate Basics, all matte, all naked. I love the box. This is so beautiful. I don't know if you can tell, but all of this, it's all textured. It's like a sunbeam, an explosion, a sunburst, and you can actually feel the burst. It's magnetic closure, so watch. I want to show you how all of the colors look on the eye, but obviously I can't do all 12 colors today. So I'm just gonna do 3 colors today. And this is what I chose based on what I'm wearing. I thought Pregame, Extra Bitter, and Faith would be really pretty. With the big fluffy, I'm doing Pregame. And Pregame's gonna go all over. So far, I'm really liking the big fluffy part of the brush. With the big fluffy tip, but on the other side, I'm going to dip it into Faith. And Faith is gonna go right up here. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to do a little bit of that Extra Bitter. I'm just going to put this right here on the outer edge. And then into the crease a little bit. And I'm going to bring it down a little bit toward my eyeliner. I think it looks even. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a little pinky smudge, which is how I always like to smudge my makeup. Pregame, Faith, and then Extra Bitter. Really pretty. I'm happy with those 3 colors. I look forward to trying the other 9. And thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.